Have you ever wondered how the devices you use every day, the smartphones, the computers, the medical equipment, even electric cars, all come to life? The magic happens inside printed circuit boards or PCBs. PCBs are the heart of every electronic device. They are what connects and powers all components. And now you have the opportunity to learn how to design them. Hi, I am Maheen Rasheed and welcome to our course Mastering KiCAD Open Source PCB Design for Beginners. From my experience, for a beginner, the high learning curve and the course associated with a proprietary commercial Indian tool might be a bit overwhelming. This is where KiCAD becomes very reliant. KiCAD is an easy-to-use and production-ready open source tool for standard PCB designs. This course aims to equip you with the technical knowledge on PCB design, help you build multi-layer PCBs, and thus launch yourself to a platform from where you could explore the advanced concepts on your own. So, how do you design a PCB? What are the tools used? How do you choose the parameters for a design? How do you design a multi-layer PCB? How do you employ EMC design techniques in PCB design? This course covers all these topics. This isn't just theory. You will dive into real-world projects. The course is a blend of both theory and practical. This is a step-by-step course on printed circuit board design with information suitable for beginners. We will start by covering the basics from understanding component mounting and packaging and ends with the multi-layer PCB design. You will have numerous opportunities for hands-on learning throughout this journey. By the end of this course, you will have the skills to tackle any PCB design challenge and create your own functional production-ready boards. So students, what are you waiting for? Join me on this exciting journey. Together, we will explore the principles of PCB design, build projects, and unlock your full potential. Your future in electronics starts here.